Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to clear Brave browser history on iPhone. So first thing is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Brave application into your device. Now, if you want to clear your history, go ahead and select the tab icon on the right side beside the three dots. And now it will let you be able to see all of your tabs. Now just simply select the clock icon on the top right corner. And from here, you should be able to see all of your history or browsers that you have visited. And you can also even search for a specific one if you have a lot of history on your browser. Or you can just simply hold on to the specific history you want to delete, and from here, you should be able to delete only that specific history, as you can see down below. And you will have other options, and you can even open it in a private tab or new tab directly. But if you really want to clear everything up, you will have the trash icon on the top right corner of the screen, and it will ask you, this will clear all your browsing history. So if you want to proceed, you can just simply tap on a clear history, and right after that, you will no longer have history and you cleared your history. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.